Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video it's about halftone filtering, or actually the issues related with the halftone. So let's start the program. Let's load some.
Let's change the background color, shall we?
Let's change the background. Something like this. Let's open some of the textures. Let's see the stones, resizing them. Something like this. And then halftone. I think the effect is better at the center of the texture, but over the edges there is something like blurring, or there is some issue over the edges. After we see the code, maybe we can spot what is the issue. So let's try with another texture, or let's say wallpaper. Maybe this is better because there is more lines and the effect should be visible better. It's just one more time at the edges there is some issue, I think, but the center is better. And let's try the last one. It's a bit strange, I think, but it's a good effect. Some of the wallpapers, the effect is not quite visible, not what you expect, I think. Oh, and here the output, I think this is the best related with the others.
Let's the code explain begin.
So let's check the code. Here are two separate functions for halftone channel and draw dot. So the output, in this case the vector of unsigned chars, and here some coordinates of the dot, the colored dot, width and height, channels, the radius, and the channel separated by unsigned chars, and here storing them by making additive blend. And here the halftone is very similar, just here adding the angle and the dots based on the RGB channels. And here are a lot of calculations that maybe the edges, the reason for edges issue is over here, rotated grid sampling, or maybe intensity and the cell size, not the cell size, but I think over here, and maybe based on these parameters, the degrees, and because of the colors, the edges are like that based on these degrees over here. So it's a bit slow program, I mean a bit slow calculation, because for each of the degrees and the color, the halftone, it's a lot of calculation until it is unified, additive to one output. And here the usual export for the halftone. It's just making vectors for this type of channels, and I think over here is the issue, rotating resampling.
Let's the code explain end.
That's all for this video. If you have some questions, suggestions, let me know in the comments below.
Arigato. Until next time.